So this kind of videos gain a lot of views today on YouTube. If you will type in YouTube any name of the movie or series that you like and will add ruined by AI, you will see a huge amount of videos with very impressive views. And this is all because AI today become super popular, and the most important thing that you know how to use it. And in this video I will show you step by step how to create AI generated video that can be applied on different scenes of movies and series, and how to gain a lot of views in the shortest time, even if you're a super small channel, even if you're just start your YouTube journey. I will share with you software that will allow you to create just the same kind of videos. Doesn't matter that you may not have any editing skills or don't have a clue what our AI software is today. I will guide you step by step through all processes. Till the end of this video, you will be able to create just the same videos as those YouTube channels do. For creating such idea, we will need 3 main applications. And just follow me precisely. The first basics for creating such kind of videos is of course footage from the movies or series. Such type of footage can be taken only from 2 places. First, it's YouTube, and second, it's official websites. You can take these movies or series scenes from the YouTube videos that already republished these scenes from the original websites, or you can use original websites and screen record the scenes. If you choose the first option, YouTube, you can easily find many different websites that allow you to download any video from the YouTube platform in a decent quality. I will leave my favorite website in description under this video so you could check it and use it for your goals. Another moment, if you want to use the official websites for screen record the scenes from movies and series, how to use this method and how to record from the official websites high quality scenes from the movies and series, you can read a dozen of articles in internet. It all depends from the website you would like to use, from the desktop laptop you have. So just take the time and explore this information. I find the most easy way just to download movies or series scenes directly from YouTube. So let's go step by step. At first you open the video with the series or movie, and you need to find the scene that you would like to record or use for our next calls. It may be from 5 till 10 seconds scene, which will be completely great for our final results. But what is really important, for this idea we need a scene that doesn't change. For this you need just to choose the characters you would like to edit with AI and take a specific amount of scene from 5 till 10 seconds where these characters all the time stay in the frame without changes. Step number 2, you need to make a screenshot of the scene. Yeah, I know it sounds a bit strange, but for creating a video we actually don't need video. We need just a screenshot of the scene from the video, but to reach the effect of how smoothly the original scene goes into the AI generated video, we need this little piece of the scene. So, next step, after you got your 5 seconds of the scene, you need just to make a screenshot of the specific moment. For this I recommend you to make a screenshot of the middle of the scene or at the end of the scene, so it was some time left for showcasing exactly original piece of content. The next software will be a key in this creative idea, and this will be a FreePic. If you still didn't use FreePic, then I have to say you have the whole amazing world ahead of you, because this website allows you to use a huge amount of different AI features that allow you to create amazing content. And if you will open the FreePic on the homepage, you can see from the top menu bar from the left we have tools, where you need to click and choose AI video generate. Here on the screen you can see that there are a few settings we will need to choose. For example, you can choose 3 different methods of generating the video. It can be fast method, high quality method and custom method. Fast method allows you to generate 5 seconds video in a few minutes, it can be 1 minute or 2. High quality method take longer time, it will be 5 or 10 minutes. But still it claims that final result will be with super quality. I tested 2 options, and for this exactly creative idea, I consider the fast method is pretty decent, so we will use exactly this one. You can see we have 2 boxes for uploading the image, start image and end image. So in start image we need to upload our screenshot from the movie scene. Click on the start image and upload needed file. The end image for exactly this video idea we don't need, so we just skip this moment, and in no time, just in the seconds, you can see that FreePic generate a description for future AI video, which means that this is what have to happen with your image in the future AI video. Please take time to read this text and understand what is going to happen on your video when it will be generated. And if you don't like something or you have a specific idea in your head how you would like to see exactly this scene developed by AI, you will need to add some additional comments to this description to exactly follow your own creative vision of this scene. The next moment you can choose a length of new generated video. It can be 5 seconds or 10 seconds. Based on my experience, I find it more productive to generate 5 seconds video, because generating 10 seconds video take much more time, and sometimes AI video can be really messed up and all time will be spent in nowhere because you will need to regenerate the video again. And the last, in my opinion, very important setting is to set up the correct frame for your future video. For example, if you create for Instagram, it will be one dimensions. If you create for YouTube, it will be another dimensions of the frame. So just be sure that you chose the correct one. And to finish, click generate button. And as I mentioned, creating 5 seconds video will take around 1 or 2 minutes. And when it's ready, just click on it to open it and check if you like it and click download button. So our AI video is created, but it's still not the end of the idea, as we need to create a beautiful smooth transition between the original scene from the movie to our AI generated scene. And for this we will need a third application, and this will be CapCut. The amazing thing about CapCut, you can use it without any advanced knowledge or skills in video editing. I created 2 monetized channels in using only CapCut for editing, and you can watch the story if you would like to monetize your YouTube channel in this year. So when you open the CapCut and click new project, we need to add the video with the original scene and our AI generated video. Now tricky moment in this editing is to reach the smooth transition between two videos. For this we place the original video on the first track and AI generated video above this one on the second track. Now we need to find the moment on the original video where you did a screenshot and move the beginning of your AI generated video exactly to this moment to reach a smooth transition. Sometimes it's difficult because AI generated video still has a bit another color grading, and we will talk about this in a second. But just try your best to reach the smooth transition because this will be the key moment for the final video. Also, you can use a few more tricks to make these two videos fit perfect to each other. So select video with original scene and open adjustment section where you can adjust different settings of the original video to be more closer to the AI generated video. And this is how we created just a few seconds of the future YouTube video. Of course, for creating a full video, you will need to work on more scenes. For example, 5 or 10 more scenes, just to create a cool, interactive and engaging long-form video for YouTube. And I really hope this video was useful for you and you already cannot wait to create your own AI-generated video. If you have any questions about this, just share with me in the comments and be sure to subscribe and stick around. Bye bye!